Okay, let's have a look at that. Alright, this will be, I'm pretty sure, photo paper for this one. I've done quite a few of these lately. We're going to see how big we're going to make it once we've put it on the glass. It's a very irregular shape as well. Let's see if we can make it look good. Right, contrast. Going to add lots of contrast this time. And the copy density, we've got to make it really light. We'll soon find out if maybe we'll have to do more adjustments. Maybe we could darken it. We'll soon find out. Come on. Tricky trying to... yeah. Okay. Right, let's see what this one is. It is a fridge magnet, and it is shaped like a bus, like one of those buses that goes through the city, in the inner city, with tourists on it. It's full of Australian animals. Really interesting. I wish these magnets could be made in Australia rather than China. I think it says bus shape. It doesn't say it's made in China. There's no label saying that, like there normally is with these. So let's see if we can make this look good. Let's see if we can make it. We've got to choose our enlargement. So I'm going to quickly have another peek. So that's way below A6. It's going to be distorted if I'm going to fit it to page. So see how we go. It's going to be a large enlargement, fairly large. So maybe the horizontal will start with 300 and the vertical will be considerably less. So we're probably going to make it 260. Let's see how we go, and then we'll start to fine-tune things and see how it goes. It's an interesting shape. It's a bit of a novelty type of shape, you could say. Oh, there's a clack noise. That's not good. Not for something that I haven't been using the machine to its duty cycle anyway. But that looks interesting. I was actually thinking maybe making this a little less crooked, but I think maybe we'll leave it like that. We've got to take off some of the vertical and add some more horizontal. But that's quite an interesting little novelty shape we have here, this bus shape. So I'm wondering if we're just going to keep it like that, and we're going to enlarge it slightly off the edge so we can make into a nice four-way mirror image. We're going a mirror image. We're not just going to make it as we did before. We're going to make it a mirror image, so we've got to basically get in here, and I think we're going to need a lot more enlargement here for this. So it's going to be 300, and I think it's going to probably be 340. I'm going to add an extra 40. And to the vertical, I think we're going to leave the vertical because we do need a little bit, we do need it to be off the edge a bit to make a good looking mirror image. We don't want the actual border on the magnet, if you know what I mean. Like I'll just show you while the machine's going through. That area, we don't want that to be on the edge. It's okay up here or here, although it's not there, but we want to make it go over a bit like that or similar. So now we'll just check to see what's come out. We're still way short of, it's getting longer and it's looking, yeah. So now we just got to stretch it a bit further to overlap the edge. Hopefully we can do that. 340. You know, I don't think we're going to need to make it 400, but we've got to make it, still got to make it considerably larger. So we're going to jump in and maybe blow it up to 300. We're going 365. And I'm wondering if we're going to make this bit bigger. So maybe 265. So we're going 365 and 265. So we're going to close that off. We're going to make this into a mirror image for a change. Let's see how we go. Okay, let's see how that went. We're not quite there. We've got a bit more, we've added a bit more enlargement down there. So we just need to cut some of this off, preferably not cutting off the word Australia. So now we're just going to make this come up even better. So we now have to go, X has to go further, considerably further. So we're going to make it, I think it's going to be, we're going to be daring and we're going to go 385. Going 385. Let's see how we go. Okay. Now that's getting close. We're nearly there. We just need to maybe do a little bit of nibbling across the edge so we don't knock off the word Australia. We've got to make this look really good. So now we're just going to make it a bit bigger. So maybe we're going to make it, we're going to get much bigger. It's going to be close to 400, which is strange, you'd think. So maybe 390. We're going 395, which is very close to 400. I don't know if I've actually gone a bit too far with this one. We'll soon find out. Okay, that looks better. In fact, now we've got it there. You can see the word Australia hasn't been partially obliterated, so we've got the word Australia there. And now we're going to try and time to make... Actually, I'm thinking the centre of this mirror image, I was thinking it was going to be there, but I wonder if this is where I was thinking it would be, and that's why I was blowing it up over the edge. But now I was thinking there might be the middle, but no, I think we're going to stick with our original plan, and we're just going to punch off what's left and make this into our 4-way mirror image of this tourist bus inspired souvenir magnet. So let's see how that looks. Upside down, doesn't matter, it's the same as this. We're just going to line them up to the corners, let the corners touch each other, the tips of the paper, just as a rough way of estimating the positioning for the other two mirrored images. We're just having a little bit of trouble trying to get our corners to touch close enough to exact. We're getting a bit pedantic, aren't we? Aren't I? So now we're just going to print off two, and we're just going to go here, mirror image, switch it on. Okay. Okay, let's see how we go. All right, these are our other two images. You can see the word Australia is back to front, so that's a mirror. That shows it's a mirror. Okay, so now we're just going to put these together. Yeah, I just nudged that one out of position, unfortunately. So it seems like my trouble with trying to get the tips to touch is in vain now. I have to try and line it up another way. So just line that up and then try to get this one into the corner without nudging things out of place. That looks all right. I think that's good enough. So there you have it. I think this is the first time I've made a mirror image out of a Aussie fridge magnet. So that looks really good. It's really like in your face. Really cool. I think now we can call it quits.